Hi, first grade friends. We're going to practice some Unit 2 words with long vowels. So we're going to warm up with some sounds. Sound. Yes. Sh. Sound. Yes. Ah. Sound. Yes. Sound. Yes. Ah. Sound. Yes. Ch. Sound. Yes. I. Sound. Yes. Sound. Yes. Sound. A consonant E. A safe. A. I consonant E. I pine. I. O consonant E. O home. O. U consonant E. U mule. U. U rule. U. E Jeep E. So now that we've warmed up, we're going to do some chaining. My words are going to start with this word. This word says, yes, 8. I'm going to change a letter to make a different word. Now my word says, yes, ape. Which sound did I change to change 8 to ape? I did. I changed the middle sound. Now I have what word? Yes, I have cape. If I did not have this E, my word would be, yes, cap. But the E makes the A say A. My word is cape. I'm going to change sounds now from cape to, yes, shape. I'm going to change shape to, yes, shame. I'm going to change shame to, yes, same. I'm going to change same to name. Yes. I'm going to change name to, yes, came. I'm going to change came to, this word says, yes, fame. And I'm going to change fame to, yes, frame. Okay, we're just going to read a few phrases now. Okay, this phrase says, let's read it together. The name of the game. That was phrase 1. The next phrase we're going to read, actually it's a sentence. So I'm going to use my uppercase letter when I'm writing it. And I'm going to have my punctuation mark at the end. Take a minute and read it on your own. Let's read it together. We went in a deep cave. Okay, so now we're going to spell some words. Okay, the first word we're going to spell is 8. Tap 8. 8. Let's see. 8. But I know that if I sound this word out, it says at. So what do I need to make A say A? I need that silent E. So now my word is 8. Let's spell another word. Say gave. Tap gave. G-ave. Let's write the sounds. G-ave. Well, I know this says g-ave. I want A to say A. So I need the silent E to make gave. Next word. Say state. Tap state. State. There are 4 sounds in state. Let's write the sounds as we, let's write the letters as we say the sounds. State. Well, I know this says stat. There's one vowel and it's closed in on the right. So this vowel is short. I want the long A. I want A to say A. So I need a silent E. Now it says state. I want to spell the word skates. Skates. Oh, I hear a suffix S at the end of skates. So I want to spell the base word first. Skate. Skate. Well, let's tap skate. Skate. Let's write that down. Skate. We're going to use the K for the K sound. This is one of those times where the vowel didn't help us figure out what we needed to know. So we're going to use the K. That's something you'll get familiar with the more often you use words like skate. So right now the word says scat. I want A to say A, so we need the silent E. And because skate is the base word, we can now add the suffix S, skates. Say names. Names. Oh, there's a suffix S on names. What's the base word of names? Yes, name. Tap name. Name. There are 3 sounds in name. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. Name. Well, right now it says nam. I want A to say A, so I need a silent E. Name. Name. Names. Let's try writing a few sentences. Say all cranes have long necks. All cranes have long necks. How many words are in our sentence? All cranes have long necks. There are 5 words in our sentence. Take this time now to pause the video so you can practice writing the sentence on your own. All cranes have long necks. And we'll go over it together. The word all. I'm going to make sure it's an uppercase letter because it's the beginning of my sentence. And I spell all, A-L-L. And a finger space. The word is cranes. Cranes. Oh, there's that suffix S again. I want to spell the base word first. So I'm going to sound out crane. Crane. I'm going to use the C for the K sound because there's an A in the word. I want A to say A, so I'm going to add the silent E. And I remember I have to add that suffix S. Crane, cranes. All cranes have. Have. Well, see, have was one of those funny words. It's more of a sight word because of the sound that the A makes. Have. It's funny how A, even though it has the E, still sounds a little more short than long. But we spell have, H-A-V-E. Long. So we have our finger space, sounds in long, long. And we're going to have to put the word next on the next line. If my paper were longer, I could keep going. So next, next. Ooh, next. That has a suffix S at the end. So the base word of next is neck. Sound out neck. Neck. And when we have the K sound at the end of a word, of a 1-syllable word, we're going to use CK at the end. So neck, neck, necks. Let's look over our sentence. All cranes have long necks. Good work. We have one more sentence to write. Ah, you're not reading it. We're creating it together. Oh my goodness. My fault. Okay, so the sentence is, I swam in the lake. How many words are in our sentence? I swam in the lake. We have 5 words in our sentence. Take a minute to pause the video and write the sentence, I swam in the lake. And we can go over it together. So I, we're going to use an uppercase I because it's the beginning of a sentence, and when I is all by itself, it's capitalized or uppercase. I, finger space, swam, sounds in swam, swam, finger space, in, sounds in, the is a sight word, T-H-E, the, finger space, sounds in lake, L-A-K, well that says lack, we want lake. And there are going to be some words that even though they have an A as a vowel, we're going to spell them with a K. We just got to get used to that. Otherwise, if we spelled it with a C, the word would be lace. And we don't want to spell lace, we want to spell lake. And we'll put a punctuation mark at the end. Good work, friends. We'll see you next time.